Okay. There you go. Try it. Try these carrots. Try these carrots. Try the carrots. One more time. You're not taking it, huh? You think they're gross. What's that? I'm listening to the TV. Ready? 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 Woman, I really don't like carrots. They're gross. Let me try it. You want to try it? Ah! No, not budging. Not budging. I don't want any carrots. They're gross. Open up. I'm going to sneak some in there. I want to sneak some in there. No? You're not going to fall for it this time, are you? How do you like that? Oh, no, don't put it in your eye. Oh, no, he's putting carrots in his eye. Oh, jeez, come on. Oh, jeez. No carrots in your eye. Okay, that's enough. No more carrots. They're just gross.